students, how are you? I hope you're all doing great. This is Teacher Yhan and welcome back to our science class. So last week, we have learned about living things and non-living things. And we said that living things are things that has a life, while non-living things are things that has no life. So for this video, we're gonna focus on living things. Here are the vocabularies you need to learn. Let's start with plants. Plants. Let's spell the word plants. 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 Okay, this is a picture, or these are pictures of plants. Now, our second word is animal. Animal. Okay, let's spell the word animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. So this is a picture, or these are pictures of animals. Now, the third word is human. Human. Let's spell the word human. H-U-M-A-N. Human. Okay, so we are considered human. Now, let's go back to what are living things. We said that living things are those with life. Now, I am going to show examples of living things. Plants are living things. Example of plants are trees. Okay, trees. Let's spell the word trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Another example of plant is flowers. Flowers. Let's spell the word flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Another example is we have grasses. Grasses. Let's spell the word grasses. G-R-A-S-S-E-S. Grasses. So those are living things. Animals are living things as well. Examples of animals are rats. Let's spell the word rat. R-A-T. Rat. Good job. The next example is lion. Let's spell the word lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. We also have bird. Let's spell the word bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Another example is tiger. Tiger. Can you spell tiger? T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. We also have cat. Let's spell the word cat. C-A-T. Cat. And of course, we have snake. Snake. Okay, let's spell the word snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Humans are living things too, just like mom, dad, and baby. Okay, so we are considered humans and we are living things. Now, I'm going to show you the key features of living things. Let's start with number 1. They breathe air. They breathe air. Okay, so we need air for us to live, just like this human exhaling and inhaling. Animals also breathe. Animals also breathe air like us. Plants do breathe as well through respiration. Number 2, they need food and water for living. They need food and water for living. We humans need foods and water for us to live. Plants also need water to grow. Now, for number 3, they can move by themselves. They can move by themselves, just like the cheetah who moves by running or walking, and the birds who move by flying. So even as humans, we can move by walking. For number 4, they reproduce. They reproduce. Like this seahorse, okay? Let's watch how the seahorse give birth to its babies. Okay, so those were a lot of baby seahorses. By the way, baby seahorse is called fry. They're called fry. Now, we can also see a goose laying egg. Okay, on the right side, we can see a goose laying its egg. That's how they reproduce. And for us humans, women give birth to babies. Okay, so for number 5, they grow. They grow. Now I will show you again how plants and humans grow. Let's watch this one. So this is an example of human growth for female. Okay, so that's it. We have number 6, which says they react to stimuli. They react to stimuli, just like this millipede. Okay, millipedes curl its body when touched. When you touch the millipede, it curls its body. And also this plant. Okay, this is called Mimosa pudica. This folds its leaves when touched as well, just like the millipede. Number 7, they get rid of body waste. They get rid of body waste. Okay, so for human, sweating helps cool down the body. Water is released through glands in the skin. Now, dog lets go of waste by pooping. Okay, so it's time for an exercise. Now I'm gonna show you different pictures of living things, and what you're going to do is point the living things to be mentioned using your index finger. I repeat, I'm gonna show you different pictures of living things, and what you're gonna do is point the living things to be mentioned using your index finger. So are you ready? If you're ready, let's start. Here, you can see a lot of living things. Can you point on your screen where is the frog? Can you point where is the frog? Where is the frog? It's here. Okay, this is the frog. Good job. What about crocodile? Can you point where is the crocodile? The crocodile is here. Okay, good job. Now, what about cow? Can you point where is the cow? Using your index finger, can you point where is the cow? The cow is here. Okay, good job. Now, what about flowers? Can you point where is the flower? The flower is here. Okay, very good. Now, what about the baby? The baby. Can you point where is the baby? The baby is here. Okay, it's on the left. This is the baby. Very good, grade 2. Now, what about the chicken? Can you point where is the chicken? The chicken is right here. Okay, this is the chicken. What about the butterfly? Can you point where is the butterfly? The butterfly is here. Good job. The butterfly is here. It's a blue butterfly. What about the bird? Can you see the bird? Can you point the bird? It's right here. It's on top of the tree. So this is the bluebird flying. Now, for the last one, can you point me where is the tree? The tree. On the tree, there is a monkey hanging. This is the tree. Okay, good job. So, you did a great job. Now, for your book activity, you open your science book to page 32. Now, what you're gonna do is to fill in the blanks. Okay, so this is what you can see on page 32 of your book. Now, for this one, we're just gonna answer about the living things part, okay? You're just going to answer the circled one. So basically, you will just answer 4 items, okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basing your answers from these choices, you have reproduce, air, food, and get rid. You're going to choose your answers from these 4 choices. Let's do this all together. For number 1, living things blank for breathing. Living things need blank for breathing. Is it reproduce, air, food, or get rid? What is your answer? What do living things need for breathing? So if your answer is air, then you are correct. Okay, so you have to write air on number 1. Okay? What about number 2? Number 2 says, need blank and water for living. Need blank and water for living. What do we need for living? Is it reproduce, food, or get rid? If your answer is food, then you are correct. Okay. So let's move on to number 3. So you are only left with 2 choices right here. So you will just choose your answers from these 2 choices. Okay, for number 3, it says blank of body waste. Blank of body waste. Is it reproduce of body waste or get rid of body waste? So if your answer is get rid, then you got it right. Okay. And of course, for number 4, we only have 1 choice left. So basically, this is reproduce. Reproduce or breed. Living things reproduce or breed. Okay, so let's read. For number 1, need air for breathing. Number 2, need food and water for living. Number 3, get rid of body waste. And number 4, reproduce or breed. Okay, so that is the end of our discussion. Once again, this is Teacher Yhan saying, always take care of yourself. Thank you for listening and goodbye.